Did you know the average household has over $10,000 in credit card debt? With interest rates climbing, understanding your credit score and report is more crucial than ever. In today's economic climate, managing your credit health isn't just smart, it's essential for securing your financial future. Consumer credit card debt has surpassed an astounding $1 trillion. The Federal Reserve's recent measures to curb inflation have pushed average credit card interest rates to over 22%, up from 15% just 5 years ago. This increase means that carrying credit card debt, especially for non-essential purchases, is more expensive than ever. Understanding these numbers is vital to grasp the impact on your monthly payments and overall financial health. Your credit score, ranging from 350 to 850, is a critical factor in your financial life. A score of 720 or above is considered favorable, granting you access to better loan terms and lower interest rates. This score influences not only your ability to secure loans and credit cards, but also impacts renting or buying a home. A higher credit score can save you thousands in borrowing costs over time. Understanding these benefits underscores the importance of maintaining a strong credit score. Improving your credit score is achievable with a few strategic steps. First, always make payments on time. This is crucial. Second, keep your credit card balances low relative to your credit limits. Third, avoid closing old accounts, as this can reduce your average account age, which is a factor in your score. Consider setting up payment reminders or automating payments to ensure timeliness. Additionally, trimming non-essential expenses can help you manage your debt more effectively. These steps can lead to a healthier credit score and better financial opportunities. Regularly checking your credit report is essential for maintaining your financial health. Through annualcreditreport.com, you can access a free report from Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Reviewing your report helps ensure all information is accurate and up to date. Look for any unfamiliar accounts or errors, as these could indicate identity theft. By staying vigilant, you can protect yourself from potential financial harm and ensure your credit report reflects your true creditworthiness. If you find errors on your credit report, it's important to address them promptly. Start by contacting the Credit Bureau, Equifax, Experian, or TransUnion, where the error appears. You can submit disputes online, providing documentation to support your claim. Correcting these errors is crucial for maintaining a clean credit report, which is vital for future financial success. Remember, a clean report not only improves your credit score, but also enhances your overall financial reputation. Understanding and managing your credit score and report is more important than ever. For more financial tips, hit like, share this video, and subscribe for insights on managing your money. Smart Finance Simplified, because financial freedom should be simple, achievable, and empowering.